In today's video, we are working on a 2022 Ford Explorer with the 3-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, and during the multi-point inspection I found that the CV axle was leaking grease. So right now I'm just showing a quick video. I disconnected both of the lower ball joints, the control arm ball joints, and I'm just showing on how to install a new axle seal. So there's this particular socket tool that I use by OTC 308-387. So this job, it was a warranty job. This vehicle had approximately 61,000 kilometers on it, and this job for the right front axle replacement pays 1.1, and that's also including if you are doing an axle seal. But apparently I just needed to replace the axle only, and so the issue here was that the axle seal came out at the same time with the axle, and I've never seen that issue before. And so the axle seal, it was riding directly onto the axle on the other end, and so now I ended up having to replace the axle seal, or the output shaft seal, and the axle together and still get paid 1.1. And unfortunately I thought it was going to be a quick job. It wasn't too bad of a job, but I did probably spend a little bit more than what the warranty time was, and the warranty time is always less no matter what. And so of course it's not fair, but there's nothing that you can do about it. When something is warranty, it's always less time no matter what. And then after you are done with the install, just remove the fill plug to top up the diff fluid, the transfer case fluid. It's a T50 Torx. So after this job was done, I just filled it up with gear oil. I believe it's 75 W140 for this one. And initially when I tried to get the axle out, I had some difficulty. It just didn't feel right. So I was trying to hammer out the axle, use pry bars, axle popper tools, the bearing race driver tool, in which I normally use, and all of that. And a lot of the stuff, it didn't really work until I used the axle popper tool, but carefully, and then it started to come out after that. And when I came out, the seal came out altogether. So I just think it's a design issue. It's due to the design, the way it's situated. So I don't think there's anything that you can do about that. So all in all, overall, it's not too bad of a job, but it just takes some time to do it, and then that's it. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a like, and please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good day and take care.